and welcome. Ah, you're here, Belle.
Hey, Susie. I heard your boss is looking for me?
Yeah, he asked me to pass you a message when you're here. Here goes. Ahem.
Thanks for helping us secure the shipping route last time. We've got a steady stock of new gadgets coming in now. The latest batch just arrived today. You're gonna love them.
I knew it. The owner wanted to talk about W engines. Box Galaxy might look like a gadget store, but they've actually been running an underground business selling combat gear, W engines. We've been regulars for a while now. Last time, the owner commissioned us to map out a safe transport route through the Hollow. Seems like it worked out pretty well. W engine supply has been a lot more stable lately.
I'm not sure exactly what happened, but it sounds like this batch only made it to the shelves thanks to you. My boss told me to save one for you as a thank you gift. Here, this one's the latest model.
Wait, this texture. This batch of goods must be... the latest W engine equipped with the 4th generation synchronous conduction device. It can release ultrasonic waves that effectively resonate with the active wavelengths of various ether weapons. According to official data, the average initial weapon performance can be improved by up to 44.21%, and the combat survival rate of personnel equipped with such gear can be increased by at least 30%. Anby? What are you doing here? Shh. Susie may be working here, but she has no idea W engines are weapons. Don't say stuff like that in front of her.
Huh? Ultrasonic waves. Weapon performance.
This is just how gadget enthusiasts speak to each other. We often describe gadget rarity as if it's combat power or something.
I see. No wonder I sometimes hear W engine buyers arguing which one is the strongest. Guys, hang on a sec. The boss just texted me, and he has a message he wants me to share with you.
Looks like I've found a connoisseur. Good gadgets truly shine in the hands of someone like you. If you're buying from us, I'll give you an exclusive customization.
Whoa, who would have thought the boss would get involved himself?
Thanks, but